Privacy impact assessment consultants versus data protection solicitors. Which one is better for GDPR compliance? Most companies think that hiring a data protection solicitor is enough for GDPR compliance, but the surprising truth is that privacy impact assessment PIA consultants can often provide faster, more practical guidance for complex projects. Data protection solicitors are legal experts who interpret GDPR requirements, draft policies, and advise on regulatory risks. They are essential for understanding legal obligations, responding to data breaches, and representing companies in regulatory investigations. However, their approach can be highly legalistic, sometimes making it harder for operational teams to implement practical solutions quickly. Privacy impact assessment consultants, on the other hand, focus on identifying, assessing, and mitigating privacy risks in specific projects or systems. They conduct structured assessments, map data flows, and recommend technical or procedural controls. For example, when launching a new app that collects user data across multiple jurisdictions, a PIA consultant can pinpoint compliance gaps, suggest safeguards, and provide a clear roadmap for GDPR alignment. The key difference is expertise versus implementation. Solicitors provide legal certainty and regulatory interpretation, while PIA consultants provide actionable, operational guidance that ensures GDPR requirements are embedded from the start. Many organizations combine both. Consultants handle assessments and risk mitigation, while solicitors review findings, finalize legal documentation, and ensure accountability. The takeaway is simple. For ongoing projects or systems handling personal data, privacy impact assessment consultants accelerate compliance, reduce risk, and provide clarity for operational teams. Data protection solicitors remain critical for formal advice, regulatory interactions, and legal risk management. The best approach is a partnership between legal and operational expertise, ensuring both compliance and practical implementation. The surprising truth is that GDPR compliance isn't just a legal exercise, it's an operational challenge. Using consultants and solicitors together ensures that organizations not only meet regulatory requirements, but also protect personal data effectively and efficiently.